Football now, Cavalier made it 4 wins on the trot as they dispatched Arnett Gardens 3-0 in their rescheduled Jamaica Premier League game at Sabina Park on Sunday. Elsewhere, Harbour got a much-needed win with victory over Treasure Beach.
It has been an uphill task for Harbour to score wins this season, and it looked as if they wouldn't add to their solitary victory as they faced off against the Treasure Beach. But with the time afforded, Jashon Anglin made it 1-0 3 minutes into stoppage time. And 4 minutes later, Treasure Beach committed the cardinal sin of sending everyone up front and paid dearly. It's long past Christmas, but Shaquille Bradford gleefully collected this gift to make it 2-0 and give the Stars of the East all 3 points.
The scheme of things, it's a very good result, We still have to keep working. There were chances in the game for which Treasure Beach probably could have scored, and we still need to be stronger defensively. It was much better today. We kept a clean sheet, more importantly. There was always the fear that the other team was going to get a chance, and they probably did get 1 or 2, and the goalkeeper did excellent.
Cavalier started the day 3 points behind Arnett Gardens, but leapfrogged their opponents into the top 4. Kyle Ming broke the deadlock in the 10th minute, before Dwayne Atkinson in the 21st, and substitute Shaniel Thomas in time added made it 3-0 as Cavalier moved to 4th on 24 points, the same as Arnett, but with a better goal difference. Arnett ended with 10 men as Rashawn Amos was ejected in the 79th minute for dangerous play.
We're having a long season. A lot of players are fatigued, and we're having a hard time early on in the season, but we have had 4 victories with a clean sheet, but before that we had conceded 1 goal in 10 matches straight. So we did some work and it seems to be paying off.
Bad day for us today. We didn't play as how we should. We didn't execute it how we should have executed. I think we played right into their hands. Things that we were supposed to do, players who were supposed to close down, double up, don't allow them to turn and face us. We just didn't follow the script.
I was in Iceland playing for IBV. Yeah, it was a difficult time for me in Iceland because, as you see, it was Iceland at the time. It was very cold, so I have to just bear it and just keep fighting and just coming to Jamaica now. Just not, yeah. But it was 6 months for me in Iceland. Come back November after sit out for 3 months and come in now, score and assist for my team, and it was great for me.
The competition continues on Wednesday with another 2 rescheduled matches. Humble Lion will play Cavalier, while Harbour take on Dunbeholden in a doubleheader at the Stadium East Field.